So what you want to do is get some tape them to each other like that, and then you're gonna get your fishing line and put it all across. It depends on where you have your sticky things, and then you're gonna slowly just go back and forth like you're flossing. And you want to start at the bottom, because if you start at the top, you don't want it to like flip the heaviness. So it's better to start at the bottom and then work your way up, and then slowly take off tape. Don't use really strong tape. This tape is old, so I feel like it's not strong at all. And it takes it right off without major damage and without breaking, you know. And you can add tape to this. That way, you know, if you're scared that it'll fall, just put like tape, like an X, and it'll protect it. If it was to break, it won't shatter. It'll just be more in bigger pieces. So we can do a sample. Yeah, mommy's gonna take all of this stuff off. So this is what it is from Dollar Tree. I don't want to be moving too much, but this is to show y'all. It's not easy to show y'all on recording, but I'm gonna show you how easy it comes off. I don't suggest that you do it like. Yeah, I mean, it's coming off. It just takes time. You can see the little bit of stains. Just needs a little bit of paint touch-ups. And I think I've had this on here for a year or less. And the paint we have is kind of cheap. And then there's the damage because I was about to use a knife. So, came out pretty good. I know it's been a while, but full-time mom, full-time student, you know, life. But I hope this video is very helpful for y'all.